Interesting facts of Eiffel Tower.
The Eiffel Tower, located in Paris, France, is an iconic symbol of the city and one of the most recognizable structures in the world. Here are some interesting facts about the Eiffel Tower. 1. Construction. The Eiffel Tower was designed by Gustave Eiffel and his construction company for the 1889 Exposition Universelle, World's Fair, held in Paris to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the French Revolution. It took 2 years, 2 months, and 5 days to complete the construction. 2. Height. At the time of its completion in 1889, the Eiffel Tower was the tallest man-made structure in the world, standing at 300 meters, 984 feet. Including its antennas, the total height is now 324 meters, 1,063 feet. 3. Material. The tower is made of iron and weighs approximately 10,100 tons. About 18,038 individual iron parts were assembled using over 2.5 million rivets. 4. Painting. The Eiffel Tower is painted in 3 different shades of color, with the darkest shade at the bottom and the lightest at the top. This is to counteract the effects of atmospheric perspective, making the tower appear uniformly colored from a distance. 5. Usage. Originally, the Eiffel Tower was intended to be a temporary structure, meant to stand for just 20 years. However, it was saved from demolition and repurposed for its value as a radio transmission tower. 6. Wind resistance. The Eiffel Tower can sway in the wind. Its design allows it to move up to 15 centimeters, about 6 inches, in strong winds without sustaining damage. 7. Visitor attraction. The Eiffel Tower is one of the most visited paid monuments in the world. Millions of people from around the globe visit the tower each year to enjoy the panoramic views of Paris from its observation decks. 8. Lights. The Eiffel Tower is illuminated by thousands of twinkling lights every evening. This display was initially introduced in 1985 to celebrate the tower's 100th anniversary. 9. Replicas. Several replicas of the Eiffel Tower exist around the world, including in Las Vegas, Tokyo, and China. 10. Radio transmission. The Eiffel Tower was instrumental in the development of radio transmission. In the early 20th century, it served as a transmission tower for radio signals and helped demonstrate the potential of wireless communication. These facts contribute to the Eiffel Tower's fascinating history and its enduring significance as a global symbol of both France and architectural innovation. 2. Height. At the time of its completion in
Please like, follow, and subscribe for future notifications.